Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Las Vegas. We're at the Bellagio. We're going to go inside and check out their conservatory for their spring setup. The theme is Garden of Love. If you're not familiar with the Bellagio Conservatory, they switch out for every season. I usually cover it here on this channel, so check out those videos at the end of this one. Well, let's go inside and check out Conservatory for Spring, Garden of Love. Walking through the alluring Tunnel of Love, we're transported into another realm, a romantic journey filled with wondrous color and feelings. Measuring 20 feet tall and 20 feet across at the widest points, the arches provide a magnificent portal into the heart of a human emotion. An enchanting pavilion-style gazebo and elegant European fountain draw your eyes in wonder as water sweetly cascades down the circular platform onto the awaiting reservoir. A scene of timeless beauty, here is where romantics rekindle and new flames alight. A regal white peacock resides over this captivating scene. Long revered for distinctive plumage and symbolism, many cultures believe that seeing a peacock is a sign of rejuvenation, self-acceptance, and romantic integrity. Here are colorful koi fish swimming along in the glistening pond. Koi fish symbolize strength, good fortune, harmony, and love. Many of them you see here have lived at Bellagio under the professional care since the beginning 25 years ago. Garden of Love is filled with a variety of over 11,000 fresh plants and flowers to create a sublime springtime setting that stirs feelings of romance, love, and joy. Beneath the branches of the wisteria tree is a magnificent European-style white marble gazebo with pedestal columns and sculptural wrought iron metal dome. Floating peacefully upon the gentle water is the Dream Boat, where the timeless courtship of sweethearts raising champagne toast as they profess their love. Inspiration for this scene came from Lake Como in northern Italian town of Bellagio. A series of rose-adorned lanterns hang high above the garden, their soft glowing light illuminating iconic Bellagio Bee. Behind them, beautiful white wisteria trees stand tall as majestic reminders of love, strength, and endurance. If you're interested in eating at this garden table while you're here at the Bellagio, you can do so. They got brunch daily, 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m., and dinner at 5:30 and 8:30. If you'd like to make reservations, just scan that QR code right there. This display's photo op is artwork by Meriton Gutierrez from In Bloom. Here we can see on the photo op, tells us what page from that book this picture is located, page 91. Two young lovebirds float toward each other, their long necks merging into the shape of a single heart. Representing devotion, elegance, and inner beauty, their graceful swans lock eyes and share the silent I do as two joyful cherub statues play the part of Cupid to perfection. Take a romantic stroll through the European-style garden, an oasis of beauty lined with classic green hedges, live trees with citrus, and orange blossoms. Represent good luck, health, and stunning floral array. Radiantly presiding over the garden scene is a 14-foot tall sun which features a face. Representing life, energy, and positivity, the sun illuminates the world around us and helps sustain the Earth's essential ecosystems. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk-around tour of the Bellagio Conservatory for Spring 2023, Garden of Love. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.